Hello again, I'm Doodle Gabby, and I'm back for another Warrior Cats Challenge Speedpaint. I really enjoy a few of this week's designs, and I hope you do too. First up is Whitetail, a small white Windclan warrior, the former apprentice and mate of One Star, and the mother of Heathertail, apparently. Her design was pretty simple. I tried to make her look cute, and made the end of her tail extra fluffy to help it stand out more with her name. Since she doesn't have a canon eye color, I gave her heathery purple eyes to match Heathertail's purple eyes. Next up are Small Ear and Speckletail's other kits, Snowkit, who deserved better, and Mistlekit, who disappeared into the ether. Their designs take elements from both of their parents, but I want to talk more about character. Or more so, waste of a character. In a cast of over 1,000 characters, Snowkit is the only one to this day who is fully deaf. And what do they choose to do with this character when they're creating what looks to be an interesting potential arc for him, and his mother, and Brackenfur? Kill him for shock value, and to give his mother another push towards the Elder's Den, apparently. Snowkit's death is one of the complaints that I have with the first arc. It was stupid, and not needed, and I hate it. I think it was a well-written scene, intense, and giving character moments to each of the cats that had interactions with Snowkit, but that doesn't change it being unnecessary, when the more interesting route would have been to make him a full character. Maybe not in the first arc because it would have been a little late to the game, but maybe the second arc he could have been a protagonist. He was only a bit older than Bramblestar. So happy with how Silverstream here came out. I wanted to give her fur a unique shape that would translate into Feathertail's feather-like tail later on. You can see now why I changed the stripe design on Crookedstar so that I could give her a river-like pool effect with her stripes. Her colors took a bit of experimenting, but I'm happy with how they came out, and I gave her the stripe on her head that she has in the manga. Overall, she's elegant and beautiful, and I'm very happy with this one. Next up is Leopardstar's dad, Mudfur. I like this design, but I'm not so sure if I like it for Mudfur. This might be a design I'll return to later down the line. I kind of want Leopardstar and her dad to stick out a bit more compared to the other RiverClan cats, because it's implied that they both have kitty pet heritage through like an escaped savanna or something. Mudfur just kind of came out looking like my standard RiverClan cat, and I think he's a little too silly looking for how he is, too. He was a capable warrior who, after all of the hardships he faced, decided that he would rather heal cats than hurt them. He's also interesting because he's the only medicine cat who's gotten away with having a kit because he was the Tom and he had the kit before he became a medicine cat. I wonder if that ever caused any tension? Because the whole point of that rule is supposedly medicine cats will favor their kits or take too much time for their kits over the rest of their clanmates, which is freaking stupid first of all, but second of all, it makes me wonder if any of the other medicine cats were like, really? Really? We're gonna let him become a medicine cat? He had a kid already. I don't know. Last but not least is Leopardstar. I am excited for Leopardstar's book because I love her, but I hate her. I understand her decisions, but that in no way frees her from blame for what her decisions caused her clan. She has blood on her paws for Stonefur's death, and she probably knew that. I do wonder just how remorseful she was towards her clan for what she had done, because she's always struck me as the proud type who might admit to her wrongdoings, but not seem too sorry for them. In one of the guidebooks, there's this little short story of her giving her side of the story, but it's mostly just her struggling to defend herself and adamantly saying, well, what would you do if you were in my situation and stuff like that. I hope her book is about something like that and not about, oh, she let Tigerstar take over RiverClan because she was in love with him. Because that's exciting. She's practically confirmed to have had a serval ancestor somewhere down the line, so I reflected that in her design, as most people do. And I've always given her this, like, cheetah cub mane fluff on the back of her neck that I like. I think it looks like anime hair. That's all I've got for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to get a better look at these designs, I post them daily on both my Tumblr and my Twitter, which are in the description below. Be sure to leave a like, and if you want to keep watching me on my journey to draw every Warrior Cats character, hit subscribe. Other than that, I will see you next week. Bye!